What do we mean by the term pure substance? A pure substance consists of only one substance without any contaminating impurities. A very important fact about pure substances is that they melt and boil at a definite exact temperature. Like pure oxygen, it melts at exactly minus 219 Celsius and boils at exactly minus 183 Celsius. Another great example is pure water. It melts at exactly 0 Celsius and boils at exactly 100 Celsius. The values for the melting and boiling points of a pure substance are precise and very predictable. This means that we can use them to test the purity of a sample. Ethanol, for instance, has a boiling point of 78 Celsius, and this ethanol compound boiled at 78. That means that this ethanol is pure. These values can also be used to check the identity of an unknown substance. Like this compound, for example, its boiling point is 100 Celsius. That means that this compound is water. The scientists have standardized the room temperature at 25 Celsius and found out that the relationship between boiling and melting points of a given substance with the room temperature standardized at 25 is what determines if we are going to see the substance as a solid, liquid, or a gas at the room temperature. For instance, if the melting point for a given substance is below 25 Celsius and the boiling point is above 25 Celsius, the substance will be liquid at the room temperature. Seawater is an impure substance, and that's due to the fact that it has salts contaminating its purity. This fact could be easily proven. If we put some seawater in a dish and heat it until all of the seawater evaporates, then we will notice a solid residue of salt is left behind on the dish, which means that the water particles have already evaporated completely, and the impurities are left behind in the dish. And that's due to the difference in the boiling point of the water and the impurities. Impurities often affect the value of the melting or boiling points of a substance, as we saw in the seawater experiment. An impure substance sometimes melts or boils over a range of temperature, not at a precise temperature like a pure substance. So that is the reason why sometimes the same substance has two different boiling or melting points. It's due to the fact that one substance is pure and the other contain contaminating impurities. So they have two different boiling or melting points even though they are the same substance.